Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by revealing exactly what word is flagging. Open the document and set Review to show all markup so you see red insertions, deletions, and underlines. Once done, go straight to Track Changes and choose Accept, then Accept All Changes. This permanently removes revision marks. Make sure to save a duplicate before you accept everything, because accepting changes is irreversible in that file. After accepting, recheck the document visually to confirm the red markup has disappeared and that content reads as intended. Next, stop Word from drawing red squiggles by changing proofing settings. Go to File, Options, Proofing, and uncheck Check Spelling as you type and mark grammar errors as you type so automatic underlines stop appearing. If the issue is a specific passage, select that text, then set Review Right Arrow Language, Right Arrow Set Proofing Language, and tick Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar. This prevents Word from marking those words. Make sure to save settings or apply them to the normal template if you want the change across documents. Finish by saving and closing the file, then reopen Word so the accepted changes and proofing adjustments fully take effect. If some red marks persist, clear direct formatting and reapply the correct proofing language to those paragraphs, because local overrides can re-enable checks. If nothing clears the marks, restart Word and, if necessary, run a quick office repair or delete the normal. .m cache to remove corrupted defaults. That troubleshooting step resolves stubborn, persistent red markings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.